The challenges that employers face and the problems that those challenges can create often also come with obstacles that employers struggle to get past. Some of those obstacles could be as simple as complying with their legal requirements. When it comes to things like statements of particulars, a lot of employers are not aware that by law they're required to produce a written statement of particulars for all new staff members within 2 months of them beginning employment. Other compliance issues circle around HR policies and procedures and statements. Again, if these policies and procedures aren't kept up to date, this can prove challenging and problematic for employers when dealing with issues. Employment legislation is something that changes frequently. On average, there's introduction of new legislation twice a year, but in addition to that, rulings at tribunals and at higher courts will often mean that employment laws as they were first written are now needing to be interpreted in a different way, and by not being up to date with that, that can prove problematic for employers. Other obstacles, indecision. If employers aren't sure about what they can do, what they should do, or how they should do it, they are often indecisive in moving things forward, and this indecisiveness can lead to problems down the line. And also inconsistency. When employers are applying their understanding of employment law, it's important that they are consistent at all times. If they are inconsistent and apply one interpretation of law to one employee, and that is different to the way in which they would apply it to another employee, that in itself can prove problematic, and that can stem off all sorts of challenges such as discrimination claims and the like. So we help employers understand what those obstacles are. We provide them with tools to overcome those obstacles, to deal with the problems, and ultimately solve the challenges that they're facing in their business.